Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Geography class for ICSE and Madhyamik. Hope you all are good, healthy and safe at your home. Today I will discuss about another new topic from the topographical map, and it is very important for your board exam. You can see the topic is already written over the board and it is compass direction. And it is very important topic for ICSE 2021 because you will get minimum 1 questions from this topic. So without wasting our time, so let's begin. Now viewers, you can see one example is already written over the board. What is the example? The example is, what is the compass direction of Palmyra settlement from Gulabganj? Now viewers, we will see how to find out the compass directions of any features from the topographical map. First of all, you have to identify the features which are given on your question. So what are the features? The features are Palmyra settlement, and the second one is Gulabganj settlement. It is also a settlement. So from this question, we have to find out the compass directions of Palmyra from Gulabganj. So what is the procedure? Now I will tell you the process, how to find out the compass directions of Palmyra settlement from Gulabganj. You can see a map on your screen, and both of the settlements are already marked over the map, that is Palmyra and Gulabganj. And I have drawn few grids of the topographical map, and you can see the Gulabganj settlement. It means this settlement is actually lie in between 18 and 19 Hastings and 20 and 21 Northings. And another settlement is Palmyra settlement. It is Palmyra settlement. It is lie in between 16 and 17 Hastings and 22 and 23 Northings. So you have to find out the compass direction of Palmyra. It means this settlement from Gulabganj. Suppose this is the vertical line, and you have to draw the horizontal line in the middle of vertical line. So these types of cross you have to make. And here you can see this is the east direction, this is the west direction, this is the north, and this is the south. So that is the process to find out the direction. So now I will tell you the another 4 directions. So it is north, it is east. It means this side will be considered as northeast. This is east, this is south. It means this part will be considered as southeast. This is south, this is west. It means this side will be considered as southwest, and this side will be considered as northwest. Those are the different type of direction. So now we will see how to find out the compass directions of Palmyra from the map. So we need to move on to the map. Viewers, this is our map, and from this map we will find out the features Gulabganj and Palmyra. So you can see this is Gulabganj. It is lies in between 18 and 19 Hastings line and 20 and 21 Northing lines. So it is Gulabganj. And this is Palmyra. It is lies between 16 and 17 Hastings lines and 22 and 23 Northing lines. So it is Palmyra. So I have to find out the compass directions of Palmyra settlement from this settlement. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw 2 lines, one vertical lines and another horizontal lines. So हम लोगों को 2 लाइन पहले ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि गुलाबगंज से हम लोगों को निकालना है, तो गुलाबगंज के ऊपर हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे. देख सकते हैं आप. पहले हम लोग इस तरह से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे और इधर से भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, ठीक बीच में. सो गुलाबगंज के बीच में हम लोग और एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिए. सो ये हो जाएगा हम लोगों का ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, ये हो जाएगा वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, ये हो जाएगा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, ये हो जाएगा साउथ डिरेक्शन. सो दिस साइड विल बी नॉर्थ ईस्ट, it will be southeast, it will be southwest, so this direction will be northwest, and this is Palmyra. So Palmyra is actually located in northwest direction of Gulabganj. You can see. So कौन सा direction आया? Northwest. अब बोर्ड पे चलते हैं. The compass direction of Palmyra is northwest. You can give the degree value of your compass direction and it will be 315 degree. अब मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि ये कैसे आया. सो मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूं कि मान लेते हैं ये ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है, ये वेस्ट, ये नॉर्थ और ये होगा साउथ. तो इस साइड को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नॉर्थ ईस्ट. इस साइड को बोलेंगे साउथ ईस्ट, इसको बोलेंगे साउथ वेस्ट, ये हो जाएगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट. अब देखते हैं अगर यहां से स्टार्ट करें तो ये कितना होगा? 45 डिग्री का होगा, और इस 45 डिग्री के साथ और 45 डिग्री ऐड करें तो ये 90 डिग्री होगा. इसका मतलब ईस्ट का वैल्यू कितना हुआ? 90 डिग्री. इसके साथ 45 डिग्री को ऐड कर दें तो ये आएगा 135 डिग्री. इस तरह से 45 डिग्री ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो इसके साथ 45 डिग्री ऐड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री. सो साउथ का वैल्यू हो गया 180 डिग्री. इसके साथ अगर 45 डिग्री ऐड कर दे तो इसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा. इसका वैल्यू होगा 225 डिग्री. अब इसके साथ 45 ऐड करें तो 270 आएगा यहाँ. तो वेस्ट का वैल्यू होगा 270 डिग्री. अब इसके साथ 45 डिग्री और ऐड कर दे तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट का वैल्यू होगा 315 डिग्री. अब नॉर्थ वेस्ट के साथ और 45 डिग्री जोड़ेंगे तो इधर आएगा 360 डिग्री. सो नॉर्थ का वैल्यू होगा 360 डिग्री. इसी तरह से कंपास डायरेक्शन को निकाला जाता है. आप लोग अगर डिग्री वैल्यू ना भी दे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप लोग सिंपल नॉर्थ वेस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. Hope you guys this video will helpful for you and you will like this video. If you like this video, please share the video and give your valuable suggestion in my comment box, and press the notification bell to get the next video notification.